In this video, I am going to show you how to add Twitter feed to your website or X. First, head over to Elfsight and select the Twitter feed widget from the menu list. 2. Click on Create Widget. You can find the direct link in the video description. Choose a template that suits your website style and layout. 3. Click Continue with this template. Connect your Twitter account by clicking on Authorize App in the pop-up window. Then, choose the type of source you'd like to display. Posts from your profile, by hashtag, or by direct links. Explore the Settings tab to adjust the layout, size, colors and fonts of your Twitter feed widget according to your preferences. Once satisfied, click on Join to install to add the widget to your website. After that, save your widget within the Elfsight apps platform, and then you will be provided with a HTML code to copy it. Copy the code and head to your WordPress website. Add the custom HTML block and then pass the widget's code. Click Update to save the changes and you will see the Twitter or X widget on your website. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.